I hear the word forensic and I think CSI. That's about as much as you're going to get out of it. And psychology, it's got to have something with the mind. Crime, thoughts, or something like that. I have no idea, to be dead honest with you.
What do you think forensic psychology is?
I think forensic psychology is the study of criminals and just the thinking that goes behind what they do when they commit crimes.
Thank you very much.
Hi, application of psychology to the criminal justice system. Frequently, they deal with issues such as public policies, new laws, competency, and whether a defendant was insane when the crime was committed. They concentrate on the psychological perspective of the witnesses and the defendant.
Go. Hi, I'm Laura Ashbaker, and I'm going to talk to you about jobs you can get with just a bachelor's degree. Even without a master's degree or doctorate in psychology, there are still a variety of jobs within both the legal and criminal justice systems for a person with just a bachelor's degree in psychology. One option you might be interested in is that of a police officer. Police officers respond to emergency calls, do routine patrols, direct traffic after accidents, investigate crimes, provide medical assistance to accident victims, arrest those that have broken the law, and fill out paperwork. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, in 2006, the median salary for police officers was $47,460. And with experience, there is the opportunity for advancement. These promotions allow police officers the opportunity to specialize in a particular area of law enforcement that's of interest to them. Okay.
Hi, I'm Elena Shrimp, and I'm going to be talking to you about the available jobs with a master's degree in forensic and law psychology. Example career would be a correctional treatment specialist, and what they do is they normally work in prisons or jails or probation agencies. The line of work entails assessing inmates and work with them and their probation officers to prepare parole and release.
Hi, I'm Michael Gurris. I'm going to talk about doctorate level positions in forensic psychology. Typical jobs include counseling offenders, being an expert witness, conducting assessments and psychotherapy, and consultations in both civil and criminal issues. Having a doctorate offers more opportunities than a master's, and rehabilitative work through program development, as they are able to develop specialized programs for offenders and evaluate their effectiveness. An example of a forensic examiner conducts criminal evaluations such as sanity pleas and handles court cases such as divorce, child custody, both family and children's court, civil commitment, personal injury, anti-discrimination, and enticement cases. They also assess defendants' competency to stand trial during the criminal justice process and assess mental state of the defendant at the time of offense in cases of possible insanity pleas. Forensic examiners often work in private practice, but some work in state institutions such as mental health facilities and hospitals.
Hi, I'm Megan Beasy, and I'm doing how to get involved in forensic psych and law psych. There are several different ways through organizations and special interest groups. The first one is Division 41 of the APA, which would be the American Psychology Law Society. It's a subfield of forensic psychology, and it helps to the understanding of law and legal institutions. It helps educate psychologists in legal matters. It also helps law personnel in psychological matters and the application of psychology in the legal system. All right, another organization is APA Division 9, which is Society for the Psychological Study of Social Issues, or SPSSI. Psychologists and allied social scientists are part of this. Psychological aspects of important social issues and social subjects are the main topics of this group. They bring theory and practice to human problems of group, community, and nation. And they also tackle the subject of national boundaries. And finally, as far as special interest groups go, there is the American Board of Forensic Psych, which is also called the ABPP. They distribute diplomas in regards to high level of professional competence and maturity in the field, and are able to articulate why or what they work towards in psychology.
Individuals interested in pursuing a forensic psychology career would need to take both psychology and criminal justice courses in school. Not many universities offer degrees in forensic or legal psychology, and no particular legal training is needed. Instead, they take mostly psychology courses and are interested in criminal minds and how the eyewitness memory works. Some helpful psychology courses include clinical, social, cognitive, criminal investigative, and developmental psychology courses.
Hi, I'm Erin Bazzi, and I'm going to tell you about why you should choose a career in the forensic and law psychology field. The forensic and law psychology field can offer a challenging and rewarding career. If you like to help others, would like a change in environment, and would like public recognition, this career might be for you. Forensic psychology can be very rewarding when you make a difference in someone's life, and there are many different subspecialties in the field. If you work in prisons and with juvenile offenders, every day can be different. Forensic psychologists are often expert witnesses and are usually very...
That's why you should choose forensic and legal psychology. Yeah!